हाय एवरीवन। आर्टिकल्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की सीरीज़ में इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं आर्टिकल्स विच आर अंडर फंडामेंटल राइट्स। ठीक है, तो आर्टिकल 12 इज़ डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्टेट। आर्टिकल 13 लॉज इनकंसिस्टेंट विद और इन डेरोगेशन ऑफ द फंडामेंटल राइट्स। आर्टिकल 14 इज़ इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ। Article 15 prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 16 is equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17 abolition of untouchability. Article 18 abolition of titles. Article 19 protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. Article 20 protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21 protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A right to elementary education. Article 22 protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Article 23 prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 24 prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Article 25 freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Article 26 freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27 freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article 28 freedom as to attendance at religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institution. Article 29 protection of interest of minorities. Article 30 right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. Article 31 compulsory acquisition of property. This is repealed. Article 31A savings of laws providing for acquisition of estates, etc. 31B validation of certain acts and regulation. 31C saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. 31D saving of laws in respect of anti-national activities. This is repealed. 32 remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights including writs. 32A constitutional validity of state laws not to be considered in proceedings under Article 32 repealed. 33 power of parliament to modify fundamental rights in their application to forces. 34 restriction on fundamental rights while martial law is in force in any area. 35 legislation to give effect to some of the provisions of the fundamental right. थैंक यू। अगली वीडियो में हम देखेंगे नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी।